Taji is quick to correct Binti's mistake. She knows if Binti can't find her mother, she won't last long. Taji's tough. She helps her granddaughter up and gives her a push in the right direction. Binti finally finds her mother and has her first feed. Bringing up the rear, it's Kike's job to show her daughter how to cross the river. Binti goes to catch up with Taji, but Kike holds her back. Binti's cousin hangs back to help. Together, they flank Binti. The water's deep and fast. Only her foot stops Binti being washed away.